So in this video, I'm going to go over these BMT XMS LED interior lights upgrade kit. Now this is a whole kit that's made for a Nissan. Now these come in all varieties of sizes. You can get them for any types of vehicles, Ford, GM, Toyota, or whatever. And what mine came with was these lights right here. This is the dome light. These are, I think they call these map lights right here. So it was a replacement for these two, and it looks awesome in here. It gives such a premium upgrade. Now the kit comes with a wide variety of stuff. It comes with like trunk, tail light. It looks like it had a spare. Now I've got a Nissan car that I also put in there. Comes with a license plate light, so it has the license plate replacement. I went ahead and put those in my Nissan car, and then I put the trunk light in my Nissan car. And look, check out what came out of here. So these are the ones that came out of my cars. Is this one? This truck right here was very simple. I just popped this off. They actually included a trim tool. That's nice. So I actually had a few spares that I didn't need, but it replaced all of these little bulbs, and it looks so much better. I'll show some footage of what it looked like before, what it looks like after, kind of like give you guys an idea of how nice this looks up here. But I really like these, and I highly recommend doing this. Technically, once you replace these, you'll never replace them again. That's how long these things last. These LED lights can last the life of the engine, that's for sure. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, LED light kit. See you on the next video.